Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the phone boots and has over 50% battery. This prevents bricking during recovery. Next, enable USB debugging in developer options and connect to a trusted PC. This lets recovery tools communicate. Make sure you know the My account and Google credentials, plus any cloud backup dates. Once done, install Xiaomi ADB drivers and a reputable recovery tool on the PC. You're acting now because immediate access increases the chance of restoring data before new writes overwrite it. You now boot the phone into fast boot or recovery mode. That isolates storage and reduces writes. Connect via ADB or fast boot and create a full partition image. Imaging is safer than file-level scans because it preserves deleted file remnants. Run a specialist recovery tool to scan the user data and media partitions. Set it to deep scan and prioritize photos, messages, and contacts. Make sure to save extracted images and databases to the PC, not back to the phone, to avoid overriding recoverable sectors. You finish by verifying file integrity. Open photos, test messages, and check contact formats. Restore selectively, start with critical files, and sync them to cloud storage for redundancy. If files appear encrypted, provide the original lock PIN or password. When locked, use key extraction techniques from the image because encryption is why many recoveries fail. If scanning returns few results, recreate a fresh image and repeat deep scans, or escalate to a professional data recovery service. One tip: stop writing to the device immediately if results are poor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.